Monday Madness MSM Part 4 Watermelon.
Watermelon! You don't know why it's watermelon. It's watermelon day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Random.
Watermelon day. Strawberries. Shortcake. Strawberry shortcake. Wait, what? Wait, what is that? My Little Pony. My Little Pony. I'm wearing a crown. No!
You want me to answer?
Yes, who is it?
Hit it on
Who
your
is it?
head.
Who is it? She's gonna hit it on her head. I just
920-7.
740.
722.
Dad, answer
Leave
and
it.
say pizza.
Pizza Hut.
It's Pizza Hut. We're gonna edit that out. It's Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut.
Oh yeah. Well,
We're in the middle of the video.
Pizza Hut's gonna have to call you
Okay,
back.
so
We'll be right
let's
back.
do a quiz. Let's
Okay.
do a quiz. Let's do a quiz. Let's. Ooh,
Oh,
High School
wait,
Musical
we're
Deluxe
busy doing a
Edition.
video right now.
Woo!
I'll have her call you back.
No.
Okay.
Oh, here's some jokes. Here, let's see if you can get this. Why did the football coach go to the bank?
Because he wanted to make a field goal.
No, to get his quarterback. You look. No, I knew that one.
Ooh, ask me one.
What
ask
do
me
cows do for entertainment? Go to the movies. No, they rent movies. Same thing.
one.
No.
Come on.
Why did the duck cross the road?
Ew, that's Zac Efron?
Yes.
Oh, he's
To
got
prove he
ugly.
wasn't a chicken. Zac Efron is so hot.
No, he's not.
Whatever.
He is the ugliest human being ever.
I gotta redo this video.
We
can't redo it. I did a bad word.
Well, I don't think anyone heard the bad word, except it's gonna.
Say it again. You said a bad word. I have to edit. No, my mom's gonna see this. It's okay. I made it longer. No, she hit me. Let's have another contest. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, now.
Well, she made me start laughing because she hit me.
Boom. Calm down. I want to.
What do donkeys do at a birthday party?
They play
Pin the tail on the human.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, gross. Gross? It sounded really gross. It is
Her
gross.
name was Lola.
You have to come in the picture. You're not even in the picture.
I know, I'm
Megan.
getting ready. Go ahead.
Sammy, don't want to stare in your eyes for 10 hours.
I was going.
You good?
There you go. Her name was.
Monday Madness.
It's Monday. Sammy with Megan and Morgan. And Fishy. Oh, Fishy. Give me Fishy.
Oh.
Turtle. Yes, Sammy. That's where I set my wrist. Turtle. You don't have to be so picky about which side your wrist has to be cut. You're so annoying. Monday, Wednesday,
You
Daddy's
should
the
go on
best.
American Idol.
Oh yeah, by the way, Rachel says hi.
Oh, and we're supposed to do shoutouts to everybody.
But that's gonna be a different video.
No, let's make it this video. Why?
Because I'm currently
This
gonna
is
have to
a
leave.
random video.
Okay, let's do it.
It's on my phone. That is my phone.
We're gonna say bye then.
My phone's ringing. Bye,